Make a document in Gamma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a quick and simple way to create professional documents without advanced design or writing skills. Gamma uses AI to automate structure and layout, making it appealing for students, professionals, and content creators who need polished results fast while saving time and effort in the creation process. To make a document in Gamma, first open your web browser by clicking the Start button on your computer and selecting Google Chrome or any browser you use. Next, click on the search bar, type gamma.app, and press Enter on your keyboard to access the website. Once the site loads, find and click the Start for Free button on the screen to begin the process. After that, choose Continue with Google or enter your email and password, then click Continue to access your account and open the dashboard. When you are inside the dashboard, move your cursor to the Create New button and click it to start a new project. A menu will appear, and you should click Generate to create your document using AI tools. In the top menu, select Document to ensure the correct format is applied. Then, click on the text input box and type your topic, such as Make a document in Gamma, so the system understands your content. After that, select the number of cards or slides based on how long you want your document to be. Next, choose a card size that fits your needs and preferences. Then, select your preferred language for the document content so it matches your audience. Press Enter or click Generate Outline to continue to the next step. Wait a moment while Gamma automatically creates your document structure. Once it appears, click on any text box to edit and customize each section. To improve the design, scroll down until you find Theme, click View More, and choose a layout you like. In the Image Choice section, select one of the available styles to enhance visuals. Then, move your cursor to the bottom right corner and click the Generate button to apply the design changes. Wait for Gamma to update your document automatically. When everything is finished, click the Share button at the top right corner and choose Export. Finally, select Export as PDF to save and use your document whenever you need it.